All right, hope you guys had a nice long weekend, and here we go on our Monday workout. We're gonna do 10 forward and back stepping jacks, and we're gonna go one. This is more a toe touch, and then we switch, and then 8 roll down. So I roll down with my legs straight and then come to a squat, arch back, and we're going to do 8. And just be relaxed on your roll down. Really pull shoulders back, tighten up, and good big arch. Shoulders back. And on the roll back, our side to side donkey kicks, our feet are staying together on these, so we're just hopping back and forth. I'll lose my mic. And we're gonna rock. Again, we wanna roll and have a rounded back, more like a C, very much like a C, and a ball, then an I. And I wanna fit like a fist with my body tight here. I'm gonna kick my feet into my hips. I hit 6, kind of lost count on that. Losing that. Now, X steps, we're not using a jack action on these X steps. Remember, X steps is from here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We'll do 10. Forward lunge into an opposite foot grab. So forward lunge here, then opposite foot, and we'll bring it to my hip, and then down. And forward lunge and foot grab to our hip. I'll just do it standing. So I'm going to grab my lunge foot and here to my hip, so I'm not moving. You can walk with these, which is good. I'll do one more each side. Push back and I have to really catch my balance, which is good. So when I push back, my heel pushes into the ground. I'm gonna grab my ankle and heel on that. And then bear crawl and tabletop. We talked about this before. The tabletop is your back should be parallel. I want to keep my knees pretty close to the ground to keep a tabletop. This is very much for our shoulders. I'm pushing off my hands, the heels of my hands as I go. And our hips flexibility and mobility there. We rocked front to back, now we'll rock side to side. So here, I'm very much going to use my hands, but my knees are in, I'm still in a ball. Here, see that top hand comes and pushes here. Pulling my knees in, keeping my core, my torso tight. I'll go one more. Feels really good, especially if you've been sitting a while. If you've been sitting and need a little break, those rockings actions are very good. Our skipping, so our skip, our box step is going to be opposite hand is going to box. My skipping is a little uncoordinated here, figuring it out as I'm going. That's good. Hope you're figuring it out quicker than I am. Thinking, all right, so our pivot lateral lunges, So our lateral lunge, we're gonna pivot on this foot, 180 turn, there, and back. And now the other way. Right foot, pivot 180 turn, left foot, there. We'll do 6. There. All right. Good workout. Hope you have a good day.